Okay, this is an announcement for the Yeti SmartBench and AWFS show for 2021. On Friday, we got definitive word that the SmartBench would not be exhibiting at the show. The team from the UK would have to go back and quarantine for 2 weeks once they got back from their trip to the US. This after being fully vaccinated, as well as some of the members of the team already having had COVID, and being fully vaccinated. But we have to work within the rules that are put in place for us. So, COVID cases are spiking again here in the USA. So who knows what'll be in place in a week and a half when the show starts. But it's just always been a fluid, moving target, and it's just too high a price to pay to attend a show in addition to the prep, travel, and show dates. So the decision's been made not to attend, and just know that I am, and we are all disappointed by it. 2 years ago, we won the Visionary Product Award for the AWFS show for machines under $50,000. We introduced a portable 4x8 CNC machine. It's been a crazy 2 years getting production scaled up and finding and fixing different issues and with shipping and things like that. But we're developing a strong product to customers around the world and give them access to a full-size 4x8 panel processing machine at a very reasonable cost. And then COVID hit, and it all hit the fan. However, like all of you, we worked our way through it and changed the way we did things. More online demos, more instructional videos, and Yeti moved to a much larger facility and has the room now to currently multiply their output again and again based on whatever scale is needed. We've shipped over 850 machines worldwide, including during this COVID slowdown in 2 years. That's pretty impressive. We developed a portable product that can be set up or taken down in less than 5 minutes, transported to a job site in a minivan or in back of a pickup truck, moved out of the way on a shop floor if it's not needed, or dismantled and stored in a small closet, giving precious production space back to the small shop owner. This machine gives our customers repeatability on par with machines costing 5 times the cost of ours, without the need for riggers and 3-phase power and a big block of dedicated shop space. It lets them work on other parts of production while the SmartBench is working for them. The SmartBench brings full-size 4x8 machining to the masses. Nested cabinet making, 4x8 signs, carve-away sign making, engraving, aluminum cutting, surfacing 4-foot wide live edge slabs, furniture making, jig making, core-in or solid surface work, 3D sculpting, you name it. If it can be done with a 3D router, the SmartBench can do it. We've added more to this system as well. It's now a multi-tool. We've added the ability to turn the SmartBench into a large format sign making machine by outfitting it with the ability to use any number of different sizes pens and markers. Most popular seem to be Sharpies. So the SmartBench becomes an oversized printer or jig maker, an art station. Think of it as a 4x8 plotter that can print on paper, cardboard, plywood, laminates, solid surfaces. We can also outfit it with different drag knives, so it can be used as an oversized vinyl cutter, all in one machine, just by adding a simple accessory kit. We've added more powerful spindles to the machine lineup, the ability to have another Z lead screw on one model, laser crosshairs to make it easier to find the XY datum, field replaceable PCBs, and on and on. The improvements have just kept coming. So while it's disappointing that we won't be at the show to show you these features in person, we want you to know that I still do online instructional videos and online custom demos with customers who express an interest in seeing what the SmartBench can do for them. Of course, typically, I think the best use of your time is to dedicate a demo day to come on site here and work through your projects by getting taught how to run your job files through tool pathing and cutting them on the SmartBench. That's the best use of your day, so that you know that when you leave at the end of that day, you can run this machine and you can start having this machine make money for you by the time it's delivered to you. This is important. I'm still able to show you these products and features here in my showroom, so let me know if I can help you in any way. We want to show that the SmartBench will work for you. You can call me at 205-871-6618 or go to YetiSmartBench.com and fill in the demo request. And I'll be happy to help you in any way I can. Thanks.